By now, you've probably seen commercials or overheard people talking about the wonders or the terrors of the Amazon Alexa. Well, is the future really here, and is it really worth all the hype? Amazon Alexa itself is not actually a product, but it is part of a new class of technology built around voice recognition and computer learning. It's super exciting because it's the start of artificial intelligence becoming a part of our everyday lives. But don't worry about the machines taking over just yet. This technology allows you to speak directly to a device after using its wake word. Then it will attempt to understand and provide you with a response, just like a normal conversation. Amazon has taken this technology and built it into a whole host of products, such as their popular Echo and Fire TV devices. It's really pretty amazing. I can ask things like, Alexa, what's the weather like in Miami?
In Miami, Florida, it's 87 degrees Fahrenheit with cloudy skies.
Or maybe, Alexa, what's the safe temperature for cooking chicken?
The recommended minimum internal temperature for chicken is 165 degrees Fahrenheit.
It brings a wealth of knowledge with little effort and can simplify common tasks, like creating a shopping list or setting reminders for yourself. Alexa, add tiny drink umbrellas to my shopping list.
Okay, tiny drink umbrellas added to your shopping list.
All it needs is a Wi-Fi internet connection. Probably one of its most useful features is its ability to keep you connected with other Alexa users by allowing you to drop in on them for a conversation without the need for a phone. In fact, with Amazon's latest Show products, you can even make video calls, making it an easy way for keeping in touch with out-of-town family and friends. This technology does have plenty of limitations though. For example, it's totally common for it to misinterpret certain words or names, and most complex requests are still well beyond what it can understand. Alexa, make me a sandwich.
Hope you're a sandwich.
It also raises some serious privacy concerns for its owners. Most of these voice recognition products are always listening. And it's not just limited to Amazon Alexa. Other big names like Google and Apple also have similar technology with the same exact problem. While it should only be listening for its wake word, it could be capturing much, much more. And there's no telling what information you could be sharing without even realizing that you are. So what do I think? Well, the initial novelty of it does wear off, and there really isn't enough to it to put one in multiple rooms yet. But if you could use a little help remembering things, or want to stay connected to your family that already has one, then an Alexa-powered device could make a great addition to your home.
Okay, how do I turn this thing off?
Like the information in this video and need more? Don't forget to subscribe to the Late Genius channel, like us on Facebook, or visit www.lategenius.com to get the latest content.